Hello everyone, it's me, Love for Animals. Today for you I have an unboxing from Amazon. It is dark outside. It is dark because it's currently raining, so it's dark. You won't really see really well. Let me see if I can turn. One second. Yeah, it helps. Oh. Helps a little. Okay, let's get right to it. I'm gonna see if I can open it like this. Oh, okay, I can, maybe. So I might not need scissors. No, I have scissors there. Okay, I got it open, so I don't need scissors. Ooh! And my watch. Right sideways. Okay. First, I got Camila Cabello, or however you pronounce it, album. I've been wanting this for a while now. I've been wanting this since it came out, and I do like a lot of the songs on there. Next, I got Avril Lavigne, self-titled. I like a lot of songs on here too. Missing about words. I like a lot of songs in here too, and I do like Avril Lavigne and Camila. And last but not least, hold up, yeah, Drake, Scorpion. I've been wanting this for a while as well, and I do like Drake. Ooh, there goes the phone. Put them in a pile here. Okay. Hello. Okay. There they are in Tinkerbell. I do have more packages coming. So more unboxings will come. Who knows when they'll come though, but they are coming at some point. Anyway, if you like this video, well, if you liked the video, like, subscribe. If you liked the video, then you're super awesome. I'll see you next time. Bye.